Have you ever found yourself endlessly scrolling, curious about how people earn money online without slaving away for hours or needing an advanced degree? I was in that exact spot, wondering if there was a smarter way to make a living without being tied to a computer all day or sacrificing my sanity. Good news, there is. A few months ago, I started experimenting with AI. Just messing around with Chat GPT to see what it could do. Then it hit me. I could create a system that handles the tough stuff for me, like writing posts, crafting emails, or even earning money while I'm catching some sleep. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I went from being totally clueless to building a straightforward AI-driven setup that brings in passive income without much effort. No tech skills, no stress, just the practical steps that worked for me. And if you hang out until the end, I'll share the exact tools and prompts I used to get going, so you can try them yourself and kick things off this week if you're ready. Sound good? Let's dive in. The easiest way to start earning online with AI is by using one solid tool, Chat GPT. It's free, user-friendly, and can do a surprising amount. Whether you're creating blog posts, handling email campaigns, automating tasks, or doing simple research, ChatGPT has you covered. For someone just starting out, it's like having a tireless assistant. It can whip up ideas for videos, draft scripts, write product descriptions, or even respond to customer inquiries. The key is knowing what to ask it to do. For instance, you could use prompts like, "Give me 5 YouTube video ideas about making money with AI." Write a short sales pitch for an AI productivity tool, or create a 7-day email sequence to promote a digital product. These small tasks start to stack up, forming systems that generate income. The more precise your prompt, the better the output. Instead of trying a bunch of tools at once, focus on getting the hang of one. Keep it simple, stay steady, and let ChatGPT do the heavy work. Once you've got a tool in your hands, the next step is figuring out what you want to do with it. You can't just open it and expect cash to pour in. The smart move is to pick a business model that's low risk and beginner friendly, but still packs a punch with AI's help. One of the simplest and most effective options is affiliate marketing. Don't roll your eyes thinking it's too complex or oversaturated. It's not. You don't need to create your own product, deal with customer service, or ship anything. You just recommend existing products or tools, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Easy. Here's where AI becomes your ace in the hole. Normally, people struggle with creating content, brainstorming ideas, or writing emails and scripts, but AI cranks those out in seconds. Let's say you're promoting a tool like Jasper.ai. You could ask ChatGPT to write a blog post with a prompt like, "Write a blog post in a friendly and simple tone, explaining how Jasper.ai can help small business owners save time with content creation. Include 3 main benefits, an example scenario, and a soft call to action at the end." Just like that, you've got a blog post or a YouTube script comparing Jasper to another tool. You could also turn that content into Instagram captions or tweets. Essentially, AI helps you explain why a tool is valuable while slipping your affiliate link into your posts. If you're wondering where to find products to promote, tons of tools have affiliate programs on platforms like PartnerStack, Impact, Digistore24, or even directly on their websites. Tools like Canva Pro, Notion AI, Pictory, or TubeBuddy are already popular with people searching for them. Your job is to create helpful content that points to those tools. You don't need to push hard, just inform, and let AI handle most of the content creation. If you're stuck on what content to make, try asking ChatGPT something like, "Write a beginner-friendly blog post explaining how Pictory helps YouTubers save time." Make it friendly, simple, and end with a soft recommendation to try the tool. That single prompt gives you a full piece of content to share. Don't stop there though. Use ChatGPT to turn that post into a short social media caption, expand it into a video script, or reformat it as an email. That's the beauty of it. One idea becomes 5 pieces of content. You're working faster, smarter, and more consistently without burning out. Now that you've set up affiliate marketing with ChatGPT, it's time to focus on getting eyes on your content. Without an audience, your work won't matter. AI can help here too. For example, if you're promoting a productivity tool for freelancers, ask ChatGPT, "Give me 10 blog post ideas for freelancers who need to be more productive with tools like XYZ." You'll get a list of titles that save you hours of brainstorming, and they're often SEO-friendly, meaning they're more likely to pop up in search results. For more targeted ideas, try asking, "What are 5 problems freelancers face when managing multiple clients, and how can this tool solve them?" Just like that, you've got content ideas that are both helpful and specific. Another game changer is automating follow-ups. Once you start getting traffic, you need to keep your audience engaged without sending emails by hand all the time. Tools like Mailchimp let you set up automatic email sequences. For example, if someone clicks your affiliate link, you could have a sequence like this. Email 1, thanks for checking out XYZ tool. Here's how it can make your life easier. Email 2, here are 3 tips for freelancers using XYZ tool to save time. Once set up, these emails go out on their own, and you don't have to lift a finger. Chat GPT can also stretch one piece of content into multiple formats. For example, ask, write a YouTube script about the 5 ways XYZ tool helps freelancers organize. Then follow up with, give me 3 catchy captions for Instagram or Facebook about XYZ tool. Now you've got several pieces of content, all linking back to your affiliate link. Testing and refining is crucial. As you create more content, you need to check if it's actually working. Chat GPT can help by reviewing your work. For instance, if you're running an ad for your affiliate product, ask, can you review my ad copy for XYZ tool and suggest improvements? AI can spot weaknesses and suggest tweaks like punchier headlines or stronger calls to action. It can also help with SEO to make your content rank higher. Try asking, optimize this blog title for SEO. How AI tools can help you work smarter. Once your content is out there, keep an eye on how it's doing. AI can analyze engagement like comments on your posts. Use a prompt like, based on the comments from my last blog post, suggest 5 new topics to cover in the same style. AI is all about constant improvement. Tweak your content, emails, or ads based on what's working and focus on those strategies. Finally, stay engaged with your audience. AI can automate replies, but don't skip adding a personal touch. Respond to comments, answer emails, and build connections. This builds trust and boosts sales. Keep at it, refine your approach, and enjoy the process. With AI in your corner, you'll create a smooth system that keeps earning passive income. If this was useful, let me know what part you're excited to try first.